If you live in South Korea and you want an opportunity to do an internship, there is one at KAIST, that's Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, that university or research institute. Hello, if you live in South Korea and you want to do an internship, I need to repeat myself because it seems like there is some lagging in the streaming. Okay, so if you live in South Korea and you're thinking about doing an internship, there is one internship opportunity at KAIST, that's Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. That university or university institution or research institution is located in Daejeon, South Korea. They have an internship opportunity for those who want to do visual AI. So that's what I'm going to talk about. This video is going to be very short, maybe less than 3 minutes, because the time is almost running out. So we need to hurry up and take the opportunity to apply for this scholarship opportunity. Okay, how do I go bigger with you? Give me a second, guys. Okay, so this is it. Call for internship winter. The application deadline is really running very fast. It is in less than 3 or 4 days. But the good thing about this internship is that it's easy, it's straightforward. All you need is your CV and your transcripts. So, for example, if you're doing an undergraduate program in South Korea and you want to take the opportunity and attend this 8 weeks internship at KAIST, that's Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology in Daejeon, I think you might want to do it because it is a good internship. Going by what I have read here, it's called KAIST Visual AI Group Internship, and they have some visuals here, which means you would be able to produce some really cool stuff after this 8 weeks internship. And also, it is a great opportunity for you to create connections for mostly those who are already in South Korea and they are in an undergraduate program. If you can take this opportunity, if you're already in South Korea, you can create relationships with the professors at KAIST, and maybe after your undergraduate degree program, they might give you a scholarship to study at KAIST. KAIST is one of those university institutions that is very highly regarded in South Korea by the South Korean government. It is one of those institutions that might actually help you get a permanent resident after you study, and also they do help students to get a job, especially if you're able to get something like a recommendation letter from a professor. They can actually link you with lots of companies in South Korea for you to get an opportunity to work. So these are the types of people that they are looking for. They say we are looking for undergraduate interns who are interested in building cutting-edge machine learning technologies for visual data. So you would learn something on generative models, continuous discrete diffusion flow models. So you have multimodal foundation models. And then during the internship, they say you will do as an intern, you have the opportunity to cultivate hand-on experience in research while participating in the following activities: curated coding assignment covering recent research topics. So it is an opportunity for you to really deepen your insight, learn more about research, because South Korea is a very research intensive country. That is why South Korea is really developing file very, very fast, and everything is really technologically made in South Korea. Even their bus stops, everything is really cool. You'll really enjoy South Korea if you happen to go to South Korea. So they say if you want to find out, this is some information that you'd get, resources, and then there is an application form. Like I said, you need to send a copy of your transcript and your CV or resume. There is a contact person here, so it's mhsong@kaist.ac.kr. take the opportunity, apply. This is how the application website looks like. You would have to click on this apply button up here. There's an apply button here, and then that form will open, and then you will need to click on apply, and then you would have to go ahead and start the application. You need to type your name. It is a step-by-step process until you get to the very end. So I really encourage you, if you're already in South Korea and you're thinking about doing an internship, especially during this December, because December is holiday time in South Korea, so you might maybe take out some time to go and do that 8 weeks internship program at KAIST. That being said, I'll see you in the next one. Maybe we'll learn a bit of Korean language very soon, or maybe I'll come back for another scholarship opportunity.